Students, we now learn the properties of equal ratios. 1. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then B upon A is equal to D upon C. This property is called invertendo. 2. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A upon C is equal to B upon D. This property is called property of alternando. 3. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. This is property of componendo. In general, this property can be stated as A plus MB upon B is equal to C plus MD upon D, where M is a positive integer. 4. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. This property is called dividendo. In general, this property can be stated as A minus MB upon B is equal to C minus MD upon D, where M is a positive integer. 5. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. This property is called componendo dividendo. In general, this property can be stated as A plus MB upon A minus MB is equal to C plus MD upon C minus MD. Let us use these properties to solve the problems. Exercise 6.2. Question 1. 1. If A upon B is equal to 5 upon 8, then find the value of the following ratios. 1. B is to A. 2. A plus B upon B. 3. A minus B upon B. 4. A plus B upon A minus B. Solution. 1. To find B upon A, let us use the property of invertendo. Therefore, B upon A is 8 upon 5. 2. To find A plus B upon B, let us use property of componendo. So, A plus B upon B is equal to 5 plus 8 upon 8. This becomes 13 upon 8. 3. To find A minus B upon B, let us use property of dividendo. So, A minus B upon B is equal to 5 minus 8 upon 8. This becomes minus 3 upon 8. 4. To find A plus B upon A minus B, let us use componendo and dividendo. So, A plus B upon A minus B is equal to 5 plus 8 upon 5 minus 8 is equal to 13 upon minus 3, which is equal to minus 13 upon 3. Question 3. If 7a square plus 2b square upon 7a square minus 2b square is equal to 113 upon 13, find the value of a upon b. Solution. Let us first use property of componendo dividendo and simplify the ratios. We get into bracket 7a square plus 2b square plus into bracket 7a square minus 2b square the whole upon 7a square plus 2b square minus into bracket 7a square minus 2b square is equal to 113 plus 13 upon 113 minus 13. Now, opening the brackets, we get 7a square plus 2b square plus 7a square minus 2b square upon 7a square plus 2b square minus 7a square plus 2b square is equal to 126 upon 100. On doing addition and subtraction of like terms, we get 14a square upon 4b square is equal to 126 upon 100. Therefore, a square upon b square is equal to 126 into 4 upon 100 into 14. On reducing to the lowest form, we get a square upon b square is equal to 36 upon 100. By taking the square root on both the sides, we get a upon b is equal to square root of 36 upon 100. Therefore, a upon b is equal to 6 upon 10. On simplifying, we get 3 upon 5. Therefore, the value of a upon b is 3 upon 5. Question 3. Solve the following equation where x is greater or equal to 0. 1. X square minus 5x plus 12 upon 5x minus 12 is equal to x square minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4. Find x. Solution. Let us use properties of equal ratios and simplify the equation. Let us use componendo and we get into bracket x square minus 5x plus 12 plus 5x minus 12 upon 5x minus 12 is equal to x square minus x minus 4 plus x plus 4 upon x plus 4. Now opening the brackets, we get x square minus 5x plus 12 plus 5x minus 12 upon 5x minus 12 is equal to x square minus x minus 4 plus x plus 4 upon x plus 4. We now simplify the numerators on both the sides of the equation. We get x square upon 5x minus 12 is equal to x square upon x plus 4. Now since numerators on both the sides of equation are equal, the denominators are also equal. Hence, 5x minus 12 is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, 5x minus x is equal to 12 plus 4. Solve this equation for x, we get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4 is the solution. Question 3. Solve the following equation where x is greater or equal to 0. 2. 5x plus 2 the whole square plus 5x minus 2 the whole square upon 5x plus 2 the whole square minus 5x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 13 upon 12. Solution. Let us substitute 5x plus 2 is equal to a and 5x minus 2 is equal to b, just to make the ratios easy. Hence we get a square plus b square upon a square minus b square is equal to 13 upon 12. Now, let us use componendo and dividendo to simplify the ratio. We get into bracket a square plus b square plus into bracket a square minus b square upon into bracket a square plus b square minus into bracket a square minus b square is equal to 13 plus 12 upon 13 minus 12. On simplifying, we get a square upon b square is equal to 25 upon 1. On taking square root, we get a upon b is equal to plus 5 or minus 5. Now, resubstitute for a and b. Hence, we get 5x plus 2 upon 5x minus 2 is equal to plus 5. Let us mark it as equation 1, or 5x plus 2 upon 5x minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Let us mark it as equation 2. We solve equation 1 by cross multiplying. 5x plus 2 is equal to 5 into 5x minus 2. Therefore, 5x plus 2 is equal to 25x minus 10. Therefore, 2 plus 10 is equal to 25x minus 5x. Therefore, 12 is equal to 20x. Therefore, 12 upon 20 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, take equation 2, that is, Therefore, 5x plus 2 upon 5x minus 2 is equal to minus 5. We solve equation 2 by cross multiplying. Therefore, 5x plus 2 is equal to minus 5 into 5x minus 2. Therefore, 5x plus 2 is equal to minus 25x plus 10. Therefore, 5x plus 25x is equal to 10 minus 2. Therefore, 30x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 upon 30 is equal to 4 upon 15. So, the solution set is 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 15. Question 3. 3. Let us find x in the following equation. Square root of x plus 13 plus square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x plus 13 minus square root of x minus 1 is equal to 3. Solution. Let us do the sum directly without substitution by using componendo and dividendo. Hence, into bracket square root of x plus 13 plus square root of x minus 1 plus into bracket square root of x plus 13 minus square root of x minus 1 upon into bracket square root of x plus 13 plus square root of x minus 1 minus into bracket square root of x plus 13 minus square root of x minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. We now simplify taking care of the signs. We get 2 into square root of x plus 13 upon 2 into square root of x minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 1. Hence, square root of x plus 13 upon square root of x minus 1 is equal to 2, since 2 is common factor. Now, let us square the left-hand side and right-hand side to get square root x plus 13 the whole square upon square root x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 square. Therefore, x plus 13 upon x minus 1 is equal to 4. We now solve for x and get x is equal to 17 upon 3. So the solution set is 17 upon 3.